when I'm doing my practicing, keeping time is super important, because if you can't keep time, then you have a real hard sense of how to put things together, how it gels together. And it makes it really tough to do the faster sort of stuff. Like that. So I'm going to use my MPC, and I'm going to use this to do a beat to play over. And I'm going to show you how to do a beat and how to figure stuff out over top of it. So I can hear that click is at 120 right now. I'm going to lower that down. Do it on the 1. So here we go. I'm going to start with my kick. Little hi-hat, right? If you watch my other videos, I'll show you how to figure this out, right? There we go. And we got the hi-hat on the 1. I'm going to add just like another snare to it. So now I have these 3 parts in there. And I want to work a melody over top. So I'm going to show you in C how I'd figure that out, because I did that little quick video there that explained how to make C major into minor and vice versa. So we have this rhythm going. I'm going to use C as my root. So I want to create inside of here, I want to create a little line that's going to sort of like a bass line or something that will make the piano make sense. So I'm going to go to a new track, I'm going to go to a key group, and I'll go to browse, and I'll find my instruments. And let's do something like this guy here. So I know that I want to put this in C, and my piano is not plugged into my MPC. So I'm going to go back here, select that program, and I'm going to go to Pad Perform. And so I can go into C major, and now this will match up. So I have that bass in there. I can just do a basic C and it will all work. Here we go. So right now it's going up to the E, which is right here in the C. So now if I wanted to, I could do a major third onto there. So in the other video I 1, 2, 3, 4, and so I have a weird sound to it. Right, so it gives that lift. If I went to the E to the G, well that's the minor third, but it blends there. So what I'm doing is I'm playing 2 different chords over 1 root. If I want to do some funky changes, I'll just do things like lift that third note. So that's something to think about, right? These small little moves that help you put stuff together. Let's go back to the main screen now, and let's go and open up a brand new instrument. So I'm going to exemplify that with, let's do a lead world lead. So I'm going to build this off of the third note, and off of like, so instead of doing off the C to the E, I'm going to do it from the E position. So if I picked E major, it would have that kind of tone to it, which I don't really want. So I'm going to go to here, we're going to go to an unused lead world leader, make sure that that other one is still there, cool. Menu, Pad Perform. So I'm going to go and pick E here. And then if it's in major, it's going to sound similar to the, right, because it's the same notes. So it doesn't really make sense together. So I can switch that out and make that into a minor. And now it's going to sound proper here. So now I have a C chord. It's building up that part. And then I have the E. Keep in mind, these kind of rules and ways to compose, they exist for any key. It's all about just counting up and down. So if a singer has a preferable thing, like a preferable key that they sing in, or you want to play it to horns, you just sort of move everything down. Everything is relative to the initial note that you play. I hope that that video helps you with your composition a bit. It is on the more advanced level. I know that there's a lot of starting stuff there, but I feel like with my subscriber list, a lot of you have been following me for a long time, and so I'm trying to add more value and sort of bring you a bit more on the music theory knowledge. So let me know if this is helping you out. If you have any more questions, let me know.